Here's a side hustle that I wish I knew about sooner. This is for the broke and lazy. It can generate passive income for you 24/7. Oh, and you're going to want to go ahead and save this video for later. Let's get started. So go to Amazon.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click Become an Affiliate. After you sign up, you want to look for products to promote. As it's summertime, so let's do barbecues. So here's a bestseller, so let's use this one. When you select your product, you want to go up here where it says Get Link and then click Text. And there is your link to your product. So you're going to need this later, so let's hang on a bit. Head over to Pinterest.com. So you need to create a pin. So add a photo of the product, bring the title in from Amazon and add a very small description. And then right there, you're going to put that affiliate link that we got earlier from Amazon. And once you've done all that, just click Publish. So the more pins that you create, the more money you can make. So if you want to learn more about how to do this, comment ready down below.